Greetings and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. Today, we have a New Year gift for all of my dear traders. To get your gift, just go to my channel. Link is in the description below. Download Flexy The Dragon version 2.7. Free from my channel. Now we will run it in MT4. Contact me on Telegram for further details. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.